could it be possible that succulents can hate me? I think it is kind of possible. And I will point my finger on lithops, those drastic living stones. They're not living stones because they don't stay alive with me. Anyway, I have had numerous lithops die on me. I don't know what I'm doing. I just tried everything that I could. They either dry up or they just get rotten because I over water them. Well, after this incident, I decided I'm going to take my time and really pay attention to them and really learn who they are and what they like. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, I killed the lithop. What happened? I don't know. It just, look at, it just was sitting by the windowsill. I guess it got too cold or somebody watered it. I might have watered it. I don't know. It got too much water. It's not though. It's kind of dry in there. So I'm guessing the reason why is because it just got too cold, and then there's like I see fungus there. So another one bites the dust. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this plant makes me nervous. This is like the most iffy I've ever encountered with succulents because as much as it looks really, really healthy, it kind of makes me nervous because I'm not sure how to treat it. You know, not really confident about the watering system of this plant. I've read so many other things about lithops, and you know, they said water it during the autumn because that's when they flower, but then don't put it in the shade because it's gonna die, which I can understand because they need the sun, but not too much sun or too hot. So it's really something that makes me nervous. So when I bought it, I kept it in these two pots where they came from and made sure that I had the right consistency of the soil to replace it with. But I just wanted both of all three of them to be in one pot, so I can monitor them all at the same time instead of separately. Then I have these split rocks and other types of lithops, and I just need to figure out what's, you know, how to take care of them because it's, I don't want to kill them. I already killed one of the mimicry plants, and because I watered it, I think I watered it too much, and I guess those plants only need watering like twice a year, something like that. But anyway, I also killed one of the heart-shaped ones, but the two other ones that's in the pot right now are doing fine. Okay, so I took it out of these pots and replaced it with this pot because I read that the terracotta pot drains water, which is true. It just expels water on the sides and everything because it's very porous. So wish me luck. I hope that it stays alive. And then also they said that once you see the top like starting to crinkle up, then that's when they need water. So this is still okay. I mean, it's a beautiful plant. Doesn't even look like a plant. Looks like a rubber thingy. That's it.
And as always, if you like this video, please smash the like button, share, comment, and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out.